Do you have a pest problem at your home or business? Don't panic and trust getting rid of them to just anyone. Call us immediately. We are certified, affordable, local pest control technicians and can come to your home or business in a flash. We'll assess the problem quickly, tell you the cost, and get the job done right guaranteed. If not taken care of quickly, your pest problem will turn into a pest disaster. Don't risk more damage or frustration by putting the problem off any longer. Get your problem solved as soon as possible by calling your local pest control experts today. Having pests in your house is more than annoying. It's embarrassing and possibly dangerous. We specialize in all kinds of pest and wildlife removal, including mice, rats, squirrels, and other rodents. Insects such as bed bugs, wasps, cockroaches, ants, spiders, flies, and more. Get rid of the freeloaders by giving us a call. We're licensed and insured professionals and can be at your location within 1 day. Free estimates are available, and we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Emergency services are available 24/7. We use environmentally safe methods to ensure the health of your family and pets. Our trucks are unmarked, and so your problem is kept private. Call us today, and our friendly, prompt, and well-trained staff will get rid of whatever is pestering you.